William, do you love Isabel? You love her. You love Izzy. You love your Izzy. Izzy's a good girl. Izzy's like, okay, you can pet me some more. Aww, is she the best kitty ever? You love your Izzy. She is so soft. She's a good girl. You petting Isabel? Yeah. Oh, that's her tail. That's Izzy's tail. Those are her legs. That's not good. Izzy, you are a very patient cat. You patting Isabel.